Are you tired of flimsy bed frames that creak, squeak, and shake every time you move? Whether you're a heavier sleeper or just want rock-solid support that lasts for years, a heavy-duty platform bed frame is the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 heavy-duty platform bed frames that can handle serious weight, offer incredible stability, and won't break the bank. Remember to check all the product links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Yitong Angel heavy-duty metal platform bed frame, and this option delivers serious value with impressive weight capacity. You're getting a frame that supports up to 3,500 pounds with widened and thickened alloy steel construction that feels premium. The frame comes in 4 different height options: 6, 10, 14, and 18 inches. This flexibility is huge because you can choose based on your storage needs or bedroom setup. The 18-inch version gives you tons of underbed space for bins, luggage, or seasonal items you need to tuck away. What really stands out during setup is the anti-slip technology with steel slats that have anti-slip tape pre-installed. The silent sponge pads eliminate any squeaking sounds, which is critical if you're a restless sleeper. Customers weighing over 300 pounds report zero movement or instability, which speaks volumes about build quality. Here's what you should consider, though. The assembly takes about 15 to 20 minutes and requires some basic tools that are included. If you're looking for truly tool-free setup, this might require slightly more effort than ultra-quick options. But the trade-off is superior stability once assembled. The rounded corner design is a thoughtful safety feature that prevents those painful midnight bumps into sharp edges. Plus, rubber foot plugs protect your floors from scratches and keep the frame from sliding around. For the price point, you're getting exceptional durability and peace of mind. At number 4, the Best Price Mattress 14-inch metal platform bed delivers exactly what its name promises: outstanding value without compromising on quality. This frame is constructed from 100% steel, giving you maximum durability that'll last for years. The fit-to-lock assembly system makes setup genuinely easy, with rubber-capped slats that snap into place securely. You'll have 9 points of contact from mattress to floor, which distributes weight evenly and prevents any sagging over time. That engineering matters more than most people realize. What sets this frame apart is the noise reduction technology. There's foam padding strategically placed between the slats and center support bar, eliminating those annoying metal-on-metal sounds. You also get 12 inches of underbed clearance, perfect for storage bins or even a robot vacuum. Here's the consideration, though. While the steel construction is robust, the weight capacity isn't specified as high as our top 3 picks. If you're specifically looking for verified 3,000-plus pound capacity, you might want to consider the higher-ranked options instead. But here's the thing. For most sleepers, this frame offers incredible bang for your buck. The headboard compatibility is a nice bonus if you want to customize your bedroom setup. Multiple size options from twin to king mean there's something for every room. If budget is a primary concern without sacrificing quality, this deserves serious consideration. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Zinus SmartBase Heavy-Duty Mattress Foundation, and this one's a crowd favorite for good reason. Supporting up to 3,000 pounds of evenly distributed weight, this frame combines serious strength with innovative convenience features. The tool-free assembly is legitimately impressive. We're talking quick one-touch setup that takes minutes, not hours. Better yet, the entire frame folds for easy storage or moving, which is a game-changer if you relocate frequently or need to reconfigure your space. Customer reviews consistently praise this frame as completely quiet and durable. People report months of use with absolutely no squeaking, which is the ultimate test for any bed frame. The 13 inches of underbed storage space gives you plenty of room for organization without feeling cramped. Here's what to consider, though. The foldable design, while convenient, means there are more connection points than solid welded frames. Some users mention needing to occasionally check and tighten connections, especially in the first few weeks of use. The value here is outstanding. You're getting a 5-year limited warranty, which shows the manufacturer stands behind their product. The plastic caps on legs protect your floors from scratches and sliding. Available in both 14 and 18-inch heights, you can choose based on your storage needs. The brand reputation and proven track record make this a safe bet. Taking the runner-up position is the TATAGO heavy-duty metal platform bed frame, and this powerhouse supports an incredible 3,500 pounds. The reinforced four-hole design at each foot ensures rock-solid stability that prevents any shaking or wobbling whatsoever. The noise-free design is engineering excellence. Heavy sleepers specifically mention in reviews that this frame eliminates all creaking sounds even during the most restless nights. The steel slats provide complete mattress support, meaning you genuinely don't need a box spring, saving you money immediately. What really impressed me was the height flexibility. With options at 14, 16, and 18 inches, you can maximize underbed storage or go lower for a modern aesthetic. The tool-free assembly means setup happens in minutes with all necessary hardware included right in the box. Here's the trade-off, though. At the higher weight capacities and with premium features, this frame sits at a slightly higher price point than budget options. If you're looking for the absolute cheapest solution, this might stretch your budget a bit. But here's why it's worth it. You get a lifetime warranty with 24-hour customer service response. That peace of mind is priceless when you're investing in furniture that holds your most important rest space. The storage clearance ranges from 12 to 15 inches depending on height chosen. For anyone who wants top-tier durability with excellent customer support, this is a fantastic investment. And here's our #1 pick, the Caplisave heavy-duty metal platform bed frame, the 2024 new design that takes everything great about heavy-duty frames and elevates it further. Supporting up to 3,500 pounds for full size and larger, this frame represents the latest innovation in platform bed technology. The standout feature is the massive 18 inches of underbed clearance. That's substantially more vertical storage space than most competitors offer, perfect for seasonal items, extra bedding, or large storage containers. The recently updated metal platform construction addresses common weak points found in older designs. Assembly takes less than 30 minutes, which is remarkably fast considering the heavy-duty construction. The frame delivers a completely quiet and stable foundation that works perfectly with spring, hybrid, or memory foam mattresses. Universal compatibility means you're not locked into specific mattress types. Here's what you should be aware of, though. As the newest model on the market, there's slightly less long-term user feedback compared to established frames. While current reviews are excellent, we don't have years of durability reports like some competitors offer. That said, the 2024 design improvements and maximum storage capacity make this the best overall choice. No box spring required saves you immediate money and hassle. The combination of cutting-edge design, maximum weight capacity, and exceptional storage make this the complete package. For anyone serious about getting the absolute best heavy-duty platform bed frame available right now, this is it. Those are your top 5 heavy-duty platform bed frames that deliver real stability, serious weight capacity, and outstanding value. Each one brings something unique to the table, so choose based on your specific needs. Check those links below and upgrade your sleep setup today.